You need to trash those vitamins. Trash it. Trash it. Trash it. Trash it. Trash it. If there's a bin by your side, you need to throw away all those vitamins after a hair transplant. If you're coming across this video for the first time, my name is Dr. Chefu. I'm a hair transplant physician. I'm a hair loss coach. I've helped thousands of people regain confidence through hair transplant. Now, I had a friend of mine that called me and said, hey, he knows someone that just had a hair transplant, and they told him he has to take vitamins so that hair is going to grow after the hair transplant. And the person was panicking, wondering what kind of vitamins they have to take. I'm like, hello, excuse me. Number one, you do not need any vitamins. I'm sorry to hurt your feelings, to hurt anyone's feelings today. You don't need any vitamins. After a hair transplant and they place you on the appropriate medical treatment for hair loss, you don't need any vitamins. Your hair is going to grow. Did you hear what I said? Your hair will grow. Guess what? Hair transplant is a surgical treatment for hair loss. And if your medical treatment, both of them complement each other. So trying to take vitamins, I do understand. People take a lot of vitamins for hair loss. But guess what? After a hair transplant, please trash those vitamins. You do not need it. If you want to take it, that's okay. But do not lose sleep over those vitamins. Did you hear what I said? Do not lose any. In fact, you need to sleep really good after your hair transplant. And I'm going to explain to you in this video why you need to trash all those vitamins. So I'm going to give you 3 simple reasons why you don't need those vitamins after a hair transplant. Now, if you're on it before a hair transplant, that's okay. Or after the hair transplant, if you want to still take it, that's still okay. So I'm going to give you 3 simple reasons. Number 1, hair loss is a medical condition called alopecia, and you need medical treatment and sometimes surgical treatment for hair loss. So if you're on appropriate medical treatment for hair loss and you've had a hair transplant, those 2 are the most important treatments when it comes to hair loss. So for the vitamins that you're stressing over, you do not need it. Did you hear what I said? You do not need those vitamins. Your hair is going to grow. So if you've had a hair transplant, relax, your hair will grow. As long as you went to a licensed clinic and is a physician that did your hair transplant, your hair will grow as long as you do everything you're supposed to do. So number 2 is the red light therapy, which is this or this. Even after your hair transplant, you're on the right medication. I recommend you start this treatment. It's very important. It's going to help your hair grow. You can buy the cap and use it at home, or sometimes the hair transplant clinic can offer it in addition to the hair transplant, but you have to come multiple times for those treatments. So I recommend you just buy this and you can do it at home and read instructions. It's sometimes 3 to 10 minutes. So read instructions on how to use the cap. Okay? So don't worry about those vitamins. They should be the last thing on your mind after a hair transplant. So you see the reason why I said do not worry about those vitamins. You need to trash it because there are other treatments for hair loss after a hair transplant. Number 3, why you need to trash those vitamins is instead of you stressing over those vitamins, have you read your pre-op and post-op instructions? See, in those instructions, they're going to teach you what to do after a hair transplant. They're going to give you a sequence of events. They're going to tell you what's going to happen the first week. So reading your post-op instruction will save you a whole lot of stress. And I've never seen any post-op instructions, I promise you. I've done hair transplants. I've gone to a lot of clinics. I've watched other physicians. I've never seen in any post-op instructions where they've put, you have to take these vitamins. I've never seen any hair transplant physician tell you in capital letters or suggest that you must take these vitamins. If not, your hair won't grow. I've never seen it. And if he's reading somewhere, I won't believe it. You see what I'm saying? So I don't want you to stress over those vitamins. Once you get a hair transplant, do all you're supposed to do, read your post-op instructions, and watch your hair grow. And thank me later. So to summarize what I've talked about, why you need to trash those vitamins after a hair transplant is Number one, keep taking your medication prescribed, especially your medical therapy for hair loss. That's what you need. Number two, add red light therapy. Red light therapy in addition to your medical treatment. And number three, always read your post-op instructions and ask the right questions, the appropriate questions. Okay? So I don't want you to stress over those vitamins. Now, if you've loved this video and you've been dealing with hair loss, or you know someone that's been dealing with hair loss and they've been thinking about hair transplant, or they're stressing over those vitamins, taking those vitamins religiously, taking it, thinking their hair's going to grow or it's going to improve the hair density, it's time to make the appointment. We offer free virtual appointments, and someone from my team is going to get in touch with you and we're going to talk to you and formulate a good treatment plan for you. So make that appointment today. If you've loved this video, I'm sure you're going to love every other of my videos. So head over to YouTube and watch my videos. So if you have a question or you want me to talk about anything about hair transplant, comment down below and I'm going to talk about it. Till next time, bye-bye.